Okay, I'm Dyanick, and this is a quick walkthrough of Save a Horse for people who are a little more advanced. Starts with your weight on your left. It's a 4-wall dance, no tags, no restarts, but it is a quick dance. So it starts with a right scissor step, left scissor step. You're going to step out with your right and kick your left. You kick it low, kick it high, whatever you want, and then do a left coaster step. Okay, running out of room there. All right, again, the first 8 counts. Scissor step, step out with a right half turn kick left, coaster step. Okay, the counts on that is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, the second set of 8, you're going to skate forward, right, left, right lock step, lock and lock, rock your left, recover, step the left behind the right, and lock step back. Okay, again, with the counts, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, rock 5, recover 6, lock 7 and 8. Okay, from here you're facing the back, but you're kind of at a diagonal from the lock steps. You're going to complete the quarter turn, and you're facing your 9 o'clock, and you're going to sway to your right, left, left. Then you're going to do 2 sailor steps, right sailor step, left sailor step. Okay, so from here it's sway, 2, 3, 4, sailor step, sailor step. Okay, let's add that on. Ready, scissor step, step half turn kick, coaster step, skate, skate, lock, rock, lock it back, quarter, sway, 2, 3, 4, sailor step, sailor step. All right, the next set of 8, your last set of 8, you're supposed to do 4 pump steps, half turn. You'll be back at 3 o'clock. I like to do 3 pump steps and a kick because a coaster step comes right after it. And that's what I tend to see people do when we're out dancing. That's the way I learned it before I actually saw the step sheets. All right, so it's and 1 and 2 and 3, kick. Right coaster step, then stop left, right, left, forward. That's the end of the dance. Okay, so the pump count on this is and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Moving forward on those stomps. All right, one more time. Ready? Pump and pump and pump, kick, coaster step, stomp, stomp, stomp. Okay, let's put it all together. Ready? Scissor step, step half turn kick, coaster step, skate, skate, lock step, rock forward left, lock step back, sway, 2, 3, 4, sailor step, and pump and pump and pump, kick, coaster step, stomp, stomp, stomp. All right, let's do a quick run through of the other walls. Ready? Scissor step, half turn kick, coaster step, skate, skate, lock it, rock, lock, quarter, sway, 2, 3, 4, sailor, and pump and pump and pump, kick, coaster step, stomp, 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 scissor step, half turn kick, coaster step, skate, skate, lock, rock, lock, quarter sway, 2, 3, 4, sailor step, and pump and pump and pump, kick, coaster step, stomp, 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 scissor, half turn kick, coaster step, skate, skate, lock, rock, lock it back, sway, 2, 3, 4, sailor, and pump and pump and pump, kick, coaster step, stomp, stomp, stomp. All right, I think you're ready. Alright, this is the demo to the fast version. But this one's the most fun. Six, seven, eight. Scissor. Turn, kick. Coaster step. Skate, skate. Lock. Rock. Lock. Sway. 2, 3, 4. Sailor. Sailor. And pump it, pump it, pump. Kick. Coaster. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Scissor. Turn, kick. Coaster. Skate, skate. Lock. Rock. Lock. Quarter. Sway. 2, 3, 4. Sailor. And pump it, pump, kick, coaster, stomp, 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 scissor, turn, kick, coaster, skate, skate, lock, rock, lock, sway, 2, 3, 4, sailor, and pump it, pump, kick, coaster, scissors, turn, kick, coaster, skate, skate, lock, rock, lock, quarter, sway, 2, 3, 4, sailor, and pump it, pump, kick, coaster, scissors, turn, kick, coaster, skate, lock, rock, lock, quarter, sway, sailors, pump it, pump, kick, coaster. Skate, skate, lock, rock, lock it back, waves, sailor, pump, 2, 3, kick, coaster, stomp, stomp, stomp. Skate, skate, lock, rock, lock, quarter, sway, 2, 3, 4, sailor step. Skate. Thanks for dancing with me.